What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KG. I'm back at it with another video. Got a quick little pickup for y'all. I did it again. I did the again. I hate that. Anyways, we're gonna get right into this. Got a quick pickup for y'all. Got two pickups from Nike. Let's get into it. Like I said, I got one box from Nike. Got two boxes from Nike. Y'all can tell by the taping, you know. Let's just say your boy been blessed. I'm gonna open these up though. Just say your boy been blessed. I'm gonna open these up real quick, then we'll get right back to y'all. That's one of them. Got two of them. Yeah, I'm that guy that got lucky and got two of them. I go to the other receipt. I can't pick it up. My finger. Hold on. Got two of them. Got both pair. Yeah. Off-white Nike Blazer. I got the Halloween joints and the Green Reapers. What's good? What's up, YouTube? My camera died. Plus, it's been like 6 hours since I was in here. Like, I have went to a football game and all. It's technically a whole nother day. It's technically Saturday morning now. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I'm back. I'm gonna show y'all these shoes real quick. My finger, my middle finger is kind of messed up. I jammed it playing ball today, so I can't hold both of the boxes in my hand. It hurt too bad. I tried to do it in the beginning of this video, but that was a complete fail. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all. We gonna get into the shoes or whatever. This the first shoe. Let me just take it out of the box. That's too much trying to hold it up now. And y'all know what the shoe are. It's the Nike Blazer, the off-white Nike Blazer. What I think this is the something Halloween. Yo, this joint, this is smooth. It's a lot better than what I thought it was gonna be. Like this one right here, Virgil, you did your thing with this one, boy. That color, this color. And it's like a translucent. This part right here is like translucent a little bit. Like you can kind of see through it a little bit. Well, I lie. It's not translucent, but it feels like it should be translucent. Like, I don't know. It's weird. It's like a weird material though. It's like a translucent material, but you can't see through it. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. You got the big orange check on both sides or whatever. You got the baby blue zip tie. And how many laces? It's like, I know it got to be more than just this one pair of laces. You got the teal laces. Please still miss another pair of laces in here. I feel like it should be like an orange pair. Bro, really? Oh, Nike, y'all playing. Y'all dropped the ball with that one. It should have been, I feel like it should have been another pair of laces in here unless they in one of the shoes or something. I don't see nothing, but you got the teal laces, and it matches the little tab, the little blue tab right there. I feel like it should have been an orange pair of laces to match the check, or even a baby blue, something. You know, you got orange hits in it, you got the little blue hits in it, or the one blue hit in it, or whatever. I feel like they should have had a orange lace in it. You got the off-white stamp on the inside. If you got a pair of off-white shoes, you know what that off-white stamp look like on the inside of it. If you got a pair. If you don't have a pair, you might not know what it look like. Me, I've been blessed. I got 4 pair. With these two right here make 4. Oh man, these joints are dope though. Like even the focus, camera, focus. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so even the little stamp they got back here or whatever on the shoe, like that normally wouldn't be on the shoe, but it's like a code. It's like some type of code they got on the back of it. That's dope. It's like a suede on this part of the shoe. I don't have the first blazer, so I can't compare it to the first blazer because I don't have it. But man, if my camera will focus like in a little bit, like that would help a lot if it focused. But yeah, you got like this suede on the back of the shoe, on this part of the shoe, and then it's just the regular whatever it is, leather, whatever it is, and it's like a embossed, a debossed, or whatever they call it, the Nike on the back of it. And then that's the little code I was telling you about, if y'all can see it. Got your little teal head, your baby blue zip tie. Like this joint, your stamp. Y'all forgot about the stamp, you know, and you got the shoelace. And I don't know if y'all can see them. Try to give y'all a good angle with my light. You really can't see it, but it got the little off-white, the little X on the inside of it. But I really feel like it should have been a orange pair of laces though. Like, you just got the teal, and my camera might not making it look right, but it's like a teal color. I'm looking for them laces. I feel like it's an orange pair of laces that I'm missing, but anyways, they're not in there. I haven't found them yet. But yeah, that's the Halloween something, whatever it's called. Is it in the box? You just say the 10. And then we got the other joints. You can see all this paper. We got the black joints. You know, the black joint is basically the same thing. You got the, well, it's not the same thing I'm talking about. It's the same shoe basically, just the different colorway. Got the big white check on both sides. You got your Nike stamp. You got that little code at the bottom down here, and you got that orange little towel. So both of them together. Now, it's same materials. Like I said, you got this translucent type of. It favors like a translucent, but it's not translucent. Like this material, it's like a. When you see it, back this camera up some. There we go. When you see it, you think it's translucent, but it's really not translucent. But it looks like it should be a translucent type of material, some sort. You know what I mean? Trying to get my light right so I can get y'all some good angles. But that's the code I was talking about on the back of the shoe. You suede at the top again with that debossed or embossed or whatever it's called, Nike. Got another little, I didn't show y'all on the other shoe what it looked like on the tongue. But you got your, boy, y'all got them things stitched in there, boy. You got your, get my face out of the camera, bro. Come on, man. Work with me, camera. Work with me. You got your tongue with the Nike on the side of it. I think the Presto like that. We got the Nike, instead of the Nike up here, it's on the side of the tongue. The exposed foam and all that. The baby blue zip tie. What this? Oh yeah, it's pretty much the same tone, same color. Got the orange stitching across it with the same. Yeah, it's the same orange and orange on the tone. So the tone basically the same on the both of them. Just the bulk of the tone is black on this one, and then it's this canvas color or whatever they call it. I think they call it canvas. It's called canvas in total orange. And let me see what the shoelaces look like. Shoelace. All it is a white shoelace that says shoelace on it. Just white, plain as it could be, with orange shoelace on it. That's all it says. It's in orange. The shoelace is written in orange. That's it. This one came wrapped up like this one. But as y'all see, the other one, what is that? Bro, I done lost the shoelaces already. Oh, they way out of place. It just came, throw it in the box like this. Which I'm cool with that. There ain't no beef. I ain't no problem with that. But really, like, that's what we doing. Like, I done came all, I'm all up close and personal with the camera now. The Vapor Max came with 3 pair of shoelaces. The white, orange, and green, I want to say it is. It's the third one. The ones, I want to say the ones came with 2. They got the blue. I want to say 3 came in it too. I could be wrong, but I want to say it was 3 pair of laces. Whatever laces that was tied up in it, and then 2 other additional colors, blue and something else. I want to say it is maybe orange. I could be wrong. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I want to say it was 3 came in there. The box over there, but I'm not about to go over there and get it. I ain't got time for all that. But like, I just feel like this one should have had a orange one in it. That's just in my opinion. Like, the teal, I feel like I'm probably gonna swap out for the teal, because I feel like this is just too, it's too, what's the word I'm looking for, like, not plain, because it's definitely not a plain shoe, because it's a big old orange shit on it. It ain't plain at all, but it's too plain. I guess I can say it's too plain right here. I want to spice it up some, so I'm gonna probably throw one of the blue ones in this one. And I'm mad that's why I'm mad they didn't give you a second option, like, other than just this one and then the teal, green, whatever it is, and with the white one. Like, you can only go black and white, which I think that's kind of cool, but at least they could have gave us an orange one for this shoe, because that'll make this shoe pop with an orange lace. Orange, I wish one of the boxes would have an orange lace in it. One of the boxes should have gave us an orange lace. It's Halloween, we should have had an orange lace in it, but I'm just ranting at that point. That's the only thing I feel like they dropped the ball on, is that they didn't have the laces right. But other than that, dope shoe. It's off-white. Virgil, you did your thing again. Like, and I will hope I can get my hands. First of all, I gotta tell you about the cop though. I got 1 sneakers out. That's it. 1 sneakers out. I caught these off the same that same 1 sneaker app. That's what I caught these off of. No girlfriend, no mama, sister, daddy, none of that. 1 sneakers account, and I caught both of them. Blessed. That's all I can say is I'm blessed. Don't hate on the kid. I'm just blessed. Like, blessed. That's all I can tell you. I was shocked. I had a feeling I was gonna get both of them. That's the weird thing about it. Like, when I entered there, I say, bro, I'm gonna hit for both of them. Like, I said it just like that. Like, cuz I'm gonna hit for both of them. And I entered the raffle, threw my phone back down, went back to sleep, woke back up. All I saw was notifications pop up. Boom, 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 boom. Emails. Boom, 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 boom. It was like, it was Nike. The 10. I'm like, okay, bet. So I saw I got the black one. I didn't even know I got. Hold on, which one popped up first? Yeah, the black one. The black one popped up as got 'em or whatever. Once I did open my phone back up, it popped up as got 'em. So I was like, okay, bet. And then as I'm scrolling down, well, as I look over into the thing, I clicked into like the purchase tab, and I saw the canvas pair, this pair, and I was like, hold on, you mean to me I caught both of them? Really? That's a bet. Then. Listen, I don't care what resale do. These will not be sold. Neither one of these will be sold. I don't care what nobody says. You can't offer me a price unless you get up to talking about 2 racks. Then you can offer me a price. And I know they're only going for like $700 right now. So, like I said, you're not gonna offer me a price that I'm gonna want to sell them for. Unless you come up 1,500 2 racks, then you know you can have them at that point. You give me 50. That size 12, 1,500 2 racks. Anywhere between there, you want to throw an offer for that size, for these size 12s, you can have them. Bet that, and that's only for one. That's not for the pair. That's for one. That's all I got for y'all YouTube. The Nike off-white blazer, the black joints, the canvas tan joints, what it is, the Green Reaper and the Sleepy Hollow. I think that's what it's called, Sleepy Hollow and the Green Reaper. But that's all I got for y'all YouTube. Catch y'all in this video. Peace.